Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, you are watching a Crypto Hamster channel. Finally, we see some movement of the Bitcoin price in the positive direction together with some of the, probably majority of the altcoins. I would like to look at these things closer. Let's go.
Let's go.
First, I would like to share with you one interesting news, important news from BitMEX. They updated their Antminer S9 to S9 Hydro, and everybody were waiting, miners community, for such an update. They expected like a bad performance and everything like that. Well, actually, for this version, they didn't make a huge boost in terms of the technology of like microelectronics. So they didn't decrease the size of the units within the chips, but on the other hand, they did some improvement of the energy saving. So they did this cooling system and yada yada yada. So they provide probably about 10% of improvements for the electricity cost. So it will be cheaper for mining, but they mentioned this is for large mining farms. Probably for individual miners, it will be a little bit less profitable, but still, this is some movement in this direction, and probably it may affect to the price in the positive way. Okay, let's look at some interesting things from the price action. And what I would like to show you is this picture from the Bitcoin to dollar in BitMEX. And you see that was like the regular price movement, and then eventually from $6.5 thousand the price spiked up to $8,000. First actually was 7, and then some like a break between these two spikes, some delay of the second one. So second was up to $8,000, and of course it was only on the BitMEX. Not of course, but it was only on the BitMEX, and all the rest just were traded the same way. So after that, soon after that, BitMEX said, okay, announced that it was like a glitch, it was a bug, and we returned everything, and none of the shorts or whatever funds which may be affected, they will be recovered, or they weren't maybe even affected whatsoever. So they covered these people who may be burned from this sort of squeeze, but which wasn't maybe a squeeze, maybe it was indeed a bug. But still, such actions, such events, make you think that okay, that maybe something shady happens here. And since this happens only on BitMEX, everybody know that it's quite risky to trade with leverage, especially with a high one like 100x they provide. But with such things, it's like reckless to trade with a leverage on BitMEX. So if you don't trade with leverage, why wouldn't you trade it with other platforms? So be careful, guys. This is the thing which may be dangerous. Okay, let's look at the price. And here we have some finally interesting things happening. So yesterday I was showing you this sort of channel and this level which Bitcoin may pass through or not. And finally, we were continuing this channel, and we was like a little break of this small channel, and then we returned, and then we touched this level. It was a little bit of the volume increase, and then we finally broke through, and now we're going up and up and up. Now it's 6,760 at the moment I'm recording this video. Actually, there was even not the break, not a like correction of this relatively sharp price rise. So now we even broke this channel and we go above. If we look also the shorts, it decreases, but it doesn't decrease that much. So probably those shorts which were set for this, like majority of the shorts which were set here are having either very high liquidation price or they didn't put the stop losses above this level. So probably they may stop or may even just try to hold it until the high level, and then if well, in a hope that the price will return and we will see the drop even lower, and then they either will close their shorts in the profit, or they will hope for the update of the lower lows. What I was thinking is probably it should go actually down first and then up, but maybe it would be even more tricky, and it would be going up first, maybe up to 6.8, 6.9, and then down, and then again up. So you never know, but the thing is that currently we're in an uptrend, and there's a nice momentum here. The volume is actually declining, which is not very pleasant thing, not confirming this uptrend, but still we're going up, and we're above this 6,600. And the interesting thing that this was a very huge trading volume at this level, because if you sum all the volume at the certain prices, then the distribution will be like here. There's not so much volume, and the bigger volume here, and this was like the maximum probably of the volume for trading in this level. And then we have lower volume, so probably if we'll break 6.8, 6.9 thousand, and then we will have the area when the volume is not so huge, so we can easier go from that point upwards. Another thing which I was going to mention is that when we are talking about shorts, short positions open, and how it affects the price, so it's like a double-edged sword. You see initially when you open a short position, it works like you basically had some bitcoins where you borrow them from the exchange and you sell them. So it pushes price down. So when we see the huge open position for the shorts, the price goes down even even faster, even deeper. But on the other hand, when these conditions are over, when we don't see the shorts closed at some bottom levels, so they still open this position, they keep them open, then, and in this case price go up, then these shorts play in an opposite way. So they will be either closed, it means manually, or by the stop order. It means that this would make the it will work basically like a buy order, or it will be liquidated, and it also will be like a buy order. So it means that all the huge volume of the shorts which was here will work as a buying orders on the way up, and in that way it's very positive for the bulls, because it will make the price spike even faster and even stronger, especially when we reach some higher level. So if we break 7,200 for example, then it will be probably a very important break point when a lot of the shorts have the liquidation price or the stop orders, in my opinion. But we still can go down initially, so everything is possible. Let's look how it will evolve eventually. But again, don't forget that everything which I said is my personal opinion and not a financial advice. So please be careful and make your decision on your own. That's it for today. I have some interesting news for tomorrow, so please stay with me and wait for more videos. I hope to see you there. Until then, please leave a like, subscribe, and hope you will have a nice day today. Goodbye, guys.